settings. Today I'm going to show you a few tips to do if you cannot find your Bluetooth accessory on the OUKITEL C33. So when I have a problem with my headphones or any other Bluetooth gadget, I'm always starting from the simplest way: just switch off and switch on again the Bluetooth connection to restart it. You can also try to restart your phone by tapping the power button and volume up at the same tap. Now tap on restart. Little bit obvious, I know, but sometimes it really works, so just try it. At the start you have to be sure that your Bluetooth accessory is in the power mode, and how to activate power mode you will find a manual to your device or maybe on your YouTube channel, so check it and be sure that your Bluetooth accessory is visible for the devices, but it's still not for your phone. Go to the settings, choose the system and tap on the reset options. As you can see, there you have a Bluetooth, so tap on it, tap on reset settings and tap on this button again. After that, look again on the Bluetooth list for your device. You can also try to update your system, so go to the system update and tap on the check for the update. If you have any, just download that and install. And the last recommendation from me: check your Bluetooth accessory and your phone on other Bluetooth device to check which one is visible, which one is making problem here. That's it. Thanks for watching. Leave us a like or a comment and goodbye.